SMX Kits is our premier learning management system, purpose-built for mission-driven training. Other learning management systems are built with rigid course structures, slow setups, and limited operational flexibility, which leads to instructor struggles. SMX Kits puts the power back into the instructor's hands with speed, control, and adaptability, unmatched in the learning management world. Straight from the login screen, you are met with the Instructor Command Center, which provides a fully customizable centralized area where instructors can monitor courses, communicate with students, and manage training. Student accountability is only a click away on the Command Center with a fully exportable attendance tracker showing which students are active. Quickly assign tasks and assignments with one click or communicate directly with students with a built-in messaging system and notification system, as well as switch between current classes being taught. The Content Hub is the one-stop shop for all of your instruction. Deliver training using PowerPoint, video, or custom content. The ability to sync instruction with students in real time, allowing them to view freely or be tied with what you are presenting, provides instructors with real-time feedback and instruction, while allowing both instructor-led or self-paced learning scenarios. Student tracking and grading is brought to the forefront of kits with the ability to easily manage students and class assignments, track student performance and progress, view and manage multiple classes seamlessly, access student records and training history, all while maintaining visibility across all assigned courses. Our grading structure allows for a fully customizable grading criterion that can be changed based on your organizational standards for grading. You are able to adapt grading by course or training objectives and support objective and performance-based evaluation. KITS allows organizations to grade based on what matters most to their mission, not the rigid LMS grading models that are used today. Our real-world scenario section is where instruction meets hands-on training through fully customizable, realistic scenarios. Integrate existing operation tools and software, including third-party tools that you already use daily, into your training regimen. This allows instructors and students to train how they fight, eliminating extra training time for familiarity with toolsets and third-party applications. The Content Manager is a centralized repository for all training content. This is where lessons, exercises, scenarios, and assessments are stored for reuse, as well as a location to store content efficiently to meet your fully customizable training needs. Kits Manager allows you to create and manage courses with full instructor control, not locking you down to rigid LMS templates. Adapt your training to your user, build courses using templates or with a custom structure. Add lessons, practical exercises, and assessments, and modify courses at any time, even after the start date. This allows you to adapt training based on student performance. Are your students more advanced than you originally thought? Change your coursework on the fly to adapt to their learning needs. The KITS Advantage. SMX Kits delivers a fully immersive, mission-driven training environment that replicates real-world intelligence workflows, empowering instructors to rapidly build, customize, and scale scenarios while automating grading, scoring, and feedback. By integrating the actual tools analysts use daily, KITS accelerates proficiency, reduces instructor workload, and provides measurable, repeatable outcomes that translate directly to operational readiness. SMX Kits. Adaptable training, operational readiness.